Hey, good afternoon. My name is Brenso. Welcome to my channel. So I'd like to present to you my Leatherman Charge 50. So 50 because this is the 50% of my Charge Plus Titanium. I just added a couple of tools so I can maximize the light carry. So first off, the scales have been anodized with a 12-volt output, a pocket clip, a signal sharpener. I have my Wade Plus knife. Look at that. It looks sleek and sexy. Okay, Wade Plus, straight blade, and saw. Okay, I also included the bottle opener, can opener, to make it kitchen friendly. Yeah, kitchen friendly multi-tool. I also included the rebar awl. Okay, and also I'm a big fan of bit drivers. So we have the large bit driver and small bit driver. Okay. And lastly, this is the tool that I frequently use, the scissors from my Wade Plus. Okay, let me show you everything here. The knife and the saw. Yeah, this is my Leatherman Charge 50%. So Charge 50. Okay. Okay. I needed to drill the holes bigger on the drivers because these two drivers originally from this part here, which is the screw, is a bit smaller, so I needed to drill it bigger to fit in. Okay, I also added a couple of copper washers. I have very thin washer in between the tool so I can open it smoothly. It doesn't lock because obviously it is a modified driver, so it doesn't lock, but somehow it locks. Okay, somehow. Especially the large driver. Okay. All right, so what else? Close this. The scissors should be the first one to close, so it will not so it will help in terms of the fitment. Okay, so if I do it the other way around, there will be a gap. Say I closed it first, there will be, yeah. So it has to be the scissors first. All right. Okay. Also for this one, I improvised the lock here because originally for the Charge Plus Titanium, there is no rivet this tall. So this is a screw from a folding knife. So I modified that, and that is the screw head, a very small screw head. Okay, and for the sharpener, I cut the plastic part here and just attach magnets, so there will be no need for me to drill hole here. So that, let me show you. Okay, it locks. Okay. Okay. So that sound is coming from this part here. If I attach the clip, all good. Yeah, it's getting dark here. So yeah, Leatherman Charge 50, maximizing my very light carry. Thank you for watching. This is Brenzo from Gears and Gadgets, 0917-634-5916. Leatherman Charge 50. Thank you.